Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is the Wadayars of Mysuru. Wadayars of Mysuru. Mysuru is a place. There it was Mysuru was ruled by Wadayars. So now, who are those we are going to know from the lesson? So important Wadayars of Mysuru. So the first king who ruled Mysuru among Wadayars was Yeduraya. Raya, and he ruled from 1399 to 1423 Common Era, where in his kingdom the Gandaberunda was the emblem of the state. Sri Rangapattanam was the first capital of this Wadayars. So among the Wadayars, the first and prominent king among the early kings of Wadayars was Chikkadevaraya. Chikkadevaraya, who ruled from 1673 to 1704 CE, that is Common Era. So what did he brought changes during his administration? See, he implemented pro-people reforms. Means before, people only could come and say that this facility should be needed. He himself gave all those facilities to the people. That is pro-people measures. He opened Athara Kacheri with 18 departments, means one office which had 18 departments in that. Then he also built a dam across the western stream of river Kaveri near Srirangapattanam to provide irrigation facility for the farmers. What is irrigation? Irrigation is an artificial supply of water from the dam to the land. Then he also introduced thrift in his administration and enriched the treasury and was conferred with Navakoti Narayana title. So he got a title Navakoti Narayana. Why? Because he caught hold of all those people who are going in a wrong direction, either they are stealing or whatever it is. He brought them and he changed their life. So as a result, whatever the income came to the company enriched the treasury of the kingdom. So therefore he was called as Navakoti Narayana. So after him, what happened is Chikkadevaraya, the later kings who came were weak. So therefore the administration was overseen by Dalavois. So among one Dalavois means a leader in the army. So among that Dalavois, Nanjarajaya was one of the Dalavoi. Under him, Hyder Ali was one of the army leader. So he was seeing all the administrative activities and he could not tolerate. Therefore, Hyder Ali came to power. So how is that? In the video which I have sent, it has been neatly explained. Go through that video 2 to 3 times so that you will get. So after Hyder Ali first fought first two Anglo-Mysore wars between British. Okay, in that first Hyder Ali won, in the second Hyder Ali was defeated. Then we come across the achievement of Hyder Ali. Afterwards, the war was continued by Tipu Sultan and he also fought next two wars, that is third and fourth Anglo-Mysore war. In third Anglo-Mysore war, he has lost his sons and treasury. Then in fourth Anglo-Mysore war, he was defeated. So after the defeat of Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, so what happened is, this page, this will say about the achievements of Tipu Sultan. That also is being mentioned in the video. Please go through that. After this, the kingdom. So there were Mysore kingdom, that is Tipu Sultan was defeated by the Britishers. So British took over the Mysore kingdom under their control, and they divided that British divided whatever the kingdom what he got to between Marathas, Nizams and themselves. Themselves means British. They divided into 4 parts. One part was given to Maratha, second was Nizam, third was British, fourth was given to Mysore Wadayars. was the next person in their generation. That was Krishnaraja Vodayar III. The fourth part was given to Krishnaraja Vodayar III. So when he came to power, he was only 5 years old. That is, Krishnaraja Vodayar III was 5-year-old boy. So as he couldn't rule, one a divan was appointed to look after the administration. That was Purnaya. Purnaya was the divan of Krishnaraja Vodayar III. So when Krishnaraja Vodayar III could not rule or suppress the revolt of Bidanur and Shivamogga, the other kings in the administration dethroned this Krishnaraja, means took out from the kingship the Krishnaraja Vodayar III, and from then onwards the administration of Mysuru was under the control of commissioners. They appointed commissioners, and the commissioners took over the rule of these Vodayars. Means it was handed to the commissioners. Means the British persons took over the control. So administration of commissioners, first person was Mark Cubbon. So he implemented and he ruled from 1834 to 1861 Common Era. He implemented many administrative reforms. During his time, he brought many changes in his administration. Reforms means changes, administration means rule. In the state, he transferred capital of Mysuru from Mysuru to Bengaluru. First capital of Karnataka was Mysuru, and it was also called as Mysuru state. Later on, only after we got independence, it was changed to Karnataka by Devaraj Avis. Okay, so the capital was shifted from Mysuru to Bengaluru. Then he divided Mysuru into many administrative units, because the state was very big. So he divided to make his work easier. He divided into administrative units, and that administrative units was again divided into districts and taluks. Then judiciary and police departments were organized well. Means court was established, and police system. If any people go with any problem, they were given solution. Like that, the administration was there during the time of Mark Cubbon, and this person implemented Kannada as an official language in Karnataka. That is in Mysuru state. So Kannada was implemented as an official language by Mark Cubbon. Then he also built new roads so that the state could be connected directly to the Bengaluru region. And he also built bridges, and he laid telephone wires to different parts, laid telegraph lines were laid. Then the construction of railway line also was took place during his time from Bengaluru to Jolarpet. Then the first railway in the state was started during his time, that is from Bengaluru to Jolarpet. Then after that he resigned from the post of commissioner in 1861, and now recently what you find in Bengaluru Cubbon Park, no, that was named after this person only. See, the Cubbon Park was built in his memory. So because of his administrative reforms during his time, to keep him in the memory, Cubbon Park was being built and named after this person. Okay, now we'll go with the next part. So after Mark Cubbon, it was Louis Bentham Bowring who came to power from 1862 to 1870 Common Era. So this Louis Bentham Bowring took charge in 1862, and he also reorganized, means whatever the administrative reforms made by Cubbon, he also reorganized, means he also made little changes or put it into a correct order in administration also, and in land revenue system also he reorganized. Then judiciary and police department also were established. Then regarding education also certain changes were made through the Department of Public Instructions. Then he also resigned in 1870, means Bowring, that is Louis Bentham Bowring resigned in 1870. So during their commissioner rule, they laid a strong foundation for the development of Mysuru state. So after this, again, so now it was under the British. So again, this British people handed over to the next Wadayar king, that is Chamaraja Wadayar X. See, in 1881, British handed over the administration of the state again to Chamaraja Wadayar X. This is called Punardhana. See, after Krishnaraja Wadayar III, as he was incapable, it was taken over by commissioners. That is, British took over the power again. So after these two persons, again the Britishers handed over the power to, means handed over the kingdom to Chamaraja Wadayar X, who comes after Krishnaraja Wadayar III. So this process of handing over the power of administration by the commissioners to the Wadayars is called as Punardhana, means again they are giving it back. And during his time, Chamaraja Wadayar X, C. Rangacharallu and K. Sheshadri Iyer were the divans under him, like prime ministers, who used to guide him in all the affairs of the administration. Then in 1881, a new public people representative assembly started functioning. So people's voice were heard and they were given representation. For that an assembly was started and it also started functioning. So this is about the remaining we'll see in the subsequent video. Thank you.